Nandi Hills is a small but beautiful hill station in Chikballapur district of Karnataka. It's 60 kilometers from Bangalore and a popular destination for nature lovers and cycling enthusiasts. Beautiful cart road with wonderful sceneries, we reach Nandi. Nandi Hills has lot of interesting places to be seen. So it resembles a sleeping bull and hence it gets its name. There are many places to visit when you are in Nandi. Tipu Sultan built a summer palace. It's not well maintained though. There's a pond named Amrita Sarovara which looks gorgeous and has an old world charm. And then there is a temple carved in a rock. Yoganandishwara temple is one of the oldest temples in Karnataka. It's around 1300 years old Dravidian style Nandi temple. Temple has two rock complexes, while the first one houses three deities and the second one consists of a majestic pond. Foundation of this temple was laid by Banas of the 19th century. The Chola rulers built the roof of the temple. This temple also has a history of Hoysala and Vijayanagara kings. Then comes the Tipu's drop. It's a famous place where Tipu Sultan had his condemned prisoners thrown to death. Nandi Hills is a wonderful place to spend your day with your loved ones. It offers great views, nice clean air. The hill is open to public from 6 am till 8 pm in the evening. Accommodation facilities are available at private hotels and government guest houses. Please find the details in the description below for the accommodations. The food available isn't that great here and it's advisable to get your food from home. However, you get snacks over here. Come to Nandi and feel the breath of fresh air.